A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. E. E for alligator. E for alligator. B. B for balloon. B for balloon. C. C for chalk bar. C for chalk bar. D. D for Doraemon. D for Doraemon. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. F. F for farmer. F for farmer. G. G for garlic. G for garlic. H. H for horse. H for horse. I. I for igloo. I for igloo. J. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K. K for king. K for king. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. M. M for mango. M for mango. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for robot. R for robot. S. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. T. T for Titanic. T for Titanic. U. U for umpire. U for umpire. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. A. A for alligator. B. B for basket. C. C for chalk bar. D for Doraemon. E for eagle. F for fan. G for garlic. H for horse. I for igloo. J for jellyfish. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rectangle. S for sunflower. T for Titanic. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zoo। तो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय।